a sunset view. I'll make it so you're gonna want to. Get your arms involved with me. I'm the rebel when I get empty.
Hi guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, June 1st. It's a new month. It's my birthday month. Very exciting. I have some fun things planned for this weekend. Tonight we're celebrating my friend's birthday, so we're like going to the city. I have to go to the mall this afternoon. I need a pair of shoes to wear tonight. I don't have good like going out heels that are like on the comfortable side. Just like plain, simple, comfortable heels. That's what we're looking for. Also, I need to go to Sephora because I just ran out of my eyebrow pencil, so it's an emergency. I need that right now. Yeah, but before we do that, I wanted to start off this vlog with a little try on haul because I recently got a package from Lulus and there's so much cute stuff in it. It's all like summery fun pieces, lots of dresses. I am obsessed with Lulus, so I just wanted to try everything on really quickly and show you guys. Thank you so much to Lulus for partnering with me on this part of the video. I love them so much, so let's get into it. I'll obviously have everything that I talk about linked down below if you guys want to check it out for yourselves. Okay, so the first thing I got is actually the little top that I'm wearing. So it's just this like light purple little tank top with buttons all down the front. I needed more like nice summery tops just for like the daytime to wear with like jeans or jean shorts or like a little skirt. So I thought this one was really pretty. It's this really like lightweight material. It kind of has like little pinstripe details. The back is just plain and it has adjustable straps, which is very important. And I just think this is so cute, so summery. So that's the first thing I got. Super cute. Okay, moving on, I got 3 dresses. I feel like Lulus is like the best destination if you're looking for dresses. So this first one's my favorite. It is this beautiful mustard yellow kind of like golden slip dress, but it just has like so many little details on it that make it so pretty and like unique. So we have this like double sleeve action going, and then the back has this whole crisscross tie detail on it. Guys, this is just the most beautiful dress ever. It's definitely on like the nicer, dressier side, so I would wear this to like a nice dinner with little heels, and it's just so pretty. Okay guys, I might have changed my mind. Maybe this one's my favorite. I can't really decide, but obviously I had to get something lime green, so I got this beautiful midi dress that has these like ruffles and a little slit up the middle, and then it has ruffles like around the top, and then the back also ties in the middle. I think this is so stunning. If you have like an event to go to or a nice dinner or something, I think this would be perfect. It's so summery. I love dresses this length. I feel like they're kind of like vacation-y, and obviously I was drawn to the color of this. It's so bright and fun, and oh my god, I just love it. Guys, I can't even believe like Lulus has the best dresses. They're so nice. So this last one is just this red little slip dress, and it has kind of like a cowl neckline. Super simple, but I love dresses like this. This is so pretty. It's so like silky. Again, if you have like an event, or I might even wear this tonight. Actually, maybe not because it clashes with my nails. I don't know. But anyway, this would be good for like a birthday, just with heels, or even like white chunky sneakers. If you want to dress this down, I feel like you totally could. I hadn't tried this one on yet, and it looked like pretty on the hanger, but like when you put it on, it just looks so amazing. Moving on to another top. Like I said, I needed more just like simple summery tops. This one I've already worn like 4 times since I got it. It's just this really simple like super dark gray. It looks kind of black, but I would say it's a dark gray comfortable tank top, but then the back has this little cutout and like tie detail, which is super cute. I feel like this is on the more casual side, but the cutout and like tie in the back makes it like different. This would just, again, be super easy to throw on with anything really. It's the best like basic top ever. Okay, and the last clothing piece I have to show you is another basic. You guys know I love me some basics, staple items. So this is just a white t-shirt. It's kind of this like, what is this called? It's kind of like sheer, but then it has like some distressing all over. And I know this is super simple, but I just needed something like this that is good for like just to tuck into jeans like I have it. And I think this would look cute with like a bunch of gold necklaces and some gold hoops. This would just be a cute like chill daytime running errands kind of outfit. So yeah, I know I'll be wearing this a ton. Okay guys, so that is everything for the clothes. Now I just have 3 pairs of shoes and 1 like accessory to show you. First off, I got a pair of flip-flops. I know this brand is like very popular. I just didn't own a good pair of flip-flops, which I feel like is a summer staple. So I just got these, obviously in leopard. You guys know I don't even need to explain the leopard at this point. But just for like the beach or the pool, I feel like these are a staple. This is what they look like on. They just kind of have like a gold strap and they're super comfortable. And yeah, I just feel like I needed a good pair of flip-flops. Next up are these beautiful heels. So these are kind of different for me because they're like a kitten heel. I usually either wear like sneakers or like a pump, so these are kind of an in-between. They're these gorgeous snakeskin little heels. They have a pointed toe, and I pictured these kind of like dressed down with like boyfriend jeans and like a nice top if I was going to like brunch or something where I needed a nicer shoe but still like chill and casual. I feel like these are my like grown-up heels. Like they're like big girl heels. They look so sophisticated. We love them. And then lastly, I just got a pair of sandals. I'm really trying to move away from wearing sneakers every single day in the summer. Obviously, that's like my uniform, but I need some like nicer, just casual sandals. So I got these. They're kind of this like suede material. They're like a taupey color, and they just have like a little knot in the middle. I think these are so cute. They're also like super comfortable. Sorry, my feet are like sinking into my rug, but they're super comfortable. Sometimes I find it hard to like walk in sandals, but these are actually really comfortable and easy to walk in. Okay, and then I just got a pair of sunglasses. They're this like yellow tiger print frame. I'll put them on for you. This is what they look like. I think these are so fun. I don't really own any glasses that are like printed like this. Okay guys, so that is everything that I got from Lulus. Be sure to check them out. They have so much cute new stuff for summer right now, so I'll have their website and everything I got linked down below. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready real quick to go to the mall. I haven't even had my coffee yet this morning, guys. I'm like all over the place. Okay guys, I just left the mall. I didn't find shoes, which is really sad, but it's fine. So I went to Sephora. I went in for one thing, left with 4. I have a problem, but I'll show you what I got. So I got my brow pencil, very necessary. I just used the Anastasia Brow Wiz in soft brown. I've been using this forever. It's the best. Then I got a new foundation. I figured since I'm spray tanned, I needed like a new shade. Did I even explain it? I got my first spray tan yesterday, guys. It's kind of a big deal. I feel like I'm pretty orange and I might look a little crazy, but it's okay. I feel like once I have makeup on, it'll look a little normal. I don't know, I'm just not used to seeing my face this orange because usually when I do self tanner, I don't tan my face. So I feel like my body looks fine. It's just, actually my hands look really wild, but my face just looks really orange. But anyway, so I got the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I've heard amazing things about this. Definitely like late to the game, but I got the shade 6.5 to match my tan. So I'll test that out tonight when I'm getting ready to go. Also going to test this out tonight. I got the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the shade Sunlight. I already have these in the shade Celestial, which is like a really light like champagne shade, and they're really good for highlighting, but that shade is just way too light for me right now. So I got this shade Sunlight, and it's still like champagne-y, but it's just darker and a little more like golden. So I'm gonna try to do that as like a liquid like highlight. So I'll also let you know how that goes. And then I also just picked up another beauty blender because mine's pretty old. So I'm back home now. I just got out of the shower. I just took like a body shower really quickly. It's like 4:30 right now, and I'm gonna start getting ready because Madison's picking me up at like 5:30, so I have an hour. I'm just gonna do my normal like going out makeup routine, but I did want to show you the foundation and the Cover FX drops when I put them on so you guys can see how it looks. So I just did my like skincare and everything and let that sink in for a little bit, and I'm gonna use Benefit Porefessional Primer just around my nose to kind of fill in my pores and like my smile line. Here's the foundation. It's very beautiful. I don't know how much of this I need to use, so I'm just gonna start with one pump and kind of like build it up. I believe this is a pretty like sheer like medium coverage foundation, which I prefer. I don't like super full coverage, but it's very like illuminating and glowy, you know, my kind of thing. Okay, so that's what the foundation looks like on. It's so pretty, you guys. It's just like so glowy and smooth. Before I do the drops, I'm going to cream contour really quickly. So I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep, and I'm just gonna put like the smallest amount on my cheekbones and my forehead. Because if you use too much of this, it starts to look crazy. So I use a very small amount, and this just warms up my face really nicely. Okay, so I'm gonna use concealer in a second to like tone that down. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but now I'm going to take the Cover FX drops. Like I said, these are in the shade Sunlight. Let's see, I'm pretty sure like you need the smallest amount of these as well because they're like really intense. So I'm just gonna start with one drop on my hand. Take my beauty blender and, oh my god, these are insane. Blend them on my cheeks and like up here a little bit. I feel like the lighting's like not doing it justice, but these are insane. And I didn't even use the full drop. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup off camera, but I'll show you guys at the end like what this looks like, because I feel like it needs the concealer and powder and everything on top for it to like look normal. So BRB. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I am glowing. This foundation is amazing, but I just like curled my hair really quickly. I'm wearing this dress from Tiger Mist. I had it in a haul like a while back. I'm not bringing my camera with me tonight just because I don't want to like lose it, but I'll try to get some footage on my phone if possible. So let's go. Hello guys, good morning. It is like 9 a.m. I woke up a little while ago, made myself some lemon water and some fruit. I've been following Kenzie Burke on Instagram. You guys have probably heard of her through like Maggie or Kenzie or whoever, but I'm trying to like incorporate some of her tips and tricks into my eating habits. So starting off the morning with fruit and lemon water, and then waiting a little bit, and then having more food, like a second breakfast later on. Her whole thing is like having optimal digestion and just food combining in ways that like helps your digestion. So I'm no expert. You can follow her for more info on that, but I just made myself some strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Now I just sat at my computer and I have some work to get done, some like emails to respond to, I have been really slacking on like planning lately. Usually I'm like such a planner and I'm really good at writing everything that I have to do down, but ever since like school ended, I kind of haven't been using my planner as much. So I want to get back into it. I have my day designer here and I'm just gonna write out everything that I need to get done today and the next couple of days. Yeah, also since it's the end of the month, I need to go over my like finance stuff. Every month I have like an Excel spreadsheet that I fill out that tracks all of my income and expenses, and so at the end of every month I like look at my bank and kind of plan out and like budget my money for the next month. Yeah, so it's like a work morning. I have an event to go to tonight that should be fun. Done, and it was a very productive morning, and now I am going downstairs to my gym in my building and gonna get a little workout in. Hey guys, so we are in the city. It's later in the day now. Focus. But I'm with Madison. We're going to an event now. It's called Time Out Market. You said you've heard of it, right?
Yeah, I went to one in Lisbon.
Yeah, so it's like international. I know there's one in Miami, but they're opening one in New York. So tonight is like the opening party. So it's in like Brooklyn. So I'm assuming there will be
like
good
food.
Yeah, it's like
from all over the city.
We're gonna walk. We're like 10 minutes away walking, but it's raining, so we're Ubering 5 minutes to go.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
To the place. But this is my outfit. I had like an outfit catastrophe because I was gonna wear this dress, then I put it on and I thought it was ugly. So now I'm wearing this. It's technically like a bralette. I got it from Urban a while ago. And then these pants are from Aritzia. Where's your dress from?
Bershka.
Oh, we love
AKA
Bershka. Okay guys, our first try. This is Mr. Taco Ramen. We got pork buns. I'm obsessed with pork buns. Woo!